Today, during episode 410 of Look What Jess Found, a nice 2000 with some interesting I guess these are zinc blisters or dye chips. See, the beehive is trying to come out here. What year is this? 2000? I never noticed how the top of the columns are so wide here. I'm gonna look at a different one and compare. So this is a 2004, and as you can see, the columns are wider at the top. On the bottom, they're kind of flat. So I guess those are the what are they called? The lentils or mantles? I can't remember. There's a name for the tops of the columns. Okay. I would probably clean this one up. Somebody might be interested in an early beehive. Please click like and subscribe. Today during episode, oops, I had to press off. I did it again. I pressed pause.